Hello, boss. Welcome to Dongguan, China. And I would like to introduce today this standing luxurious dining table. This dining table designed by Bocado Lobo and customized by Joekang. Look this dining table. This dining table topper is very shiny. We use here natural stone and look this texture design very good. And look this side corner, this is very shiny and very gorgeous, and we use here aluminium. Look this aluminium design, everything can be customized. Okay, now let's see this luxurious dining table legs. It has total 5 legs. The all legs are made with stainless steel with marble, natural marble shape and natural marble design. Looks very good, and these legs gives this table strong durability. So why are you late to contact with us? Please contact with us as soon as possible for this luxury dining table, one and only Joekang.